If you've got an extra 500 bucks, I can promise you this is the best way to spend it. Keep in mind, people spend thousands for this information. First thing we're gonna do is go to TikTok, search up Amazon finds, and look for products with a wow factor, products that solve a problem, and something that we could make cool content with. After searching for a little bit, I found this foot scrubber. Next step, we're gonna buy this on Amazon, ship it to our house, and make cool TikTok videos with it. Just make sure you use copyright-free music because we're gonna use those videos for ads later. Next, we are gonna make a store on Shopify using the Debeautify theme or the Turbo Portland theme. You can also Google your product name and check different stores on Google Shopping. This will give you ideas of how to price your product as well as how to design the store. Next, we're gonna locate the product on AliExpress. Looks like we can get it for $9 and sell it for $20 easily. Then we're gonna download Oberlo to import the product from AliExpress as well as Luke's to get photo reviews on the store. If we add up the entire cost for your Shopify store, all the apps, the domain name should be around 100 bucks. Lastly, we're gonna go into TikTok ads, start a conversion campaign. Make sure to enable this and grab the TikTok post that you already made and plug it into the ad. Spend the rest of your $400 on these ads and then make sure you download the Klaviyo app for email retargeting and SMS Bump for text retargeting. Now let me show you some numbers. If you're selling a product for $50, you will need to get 35 sales a day to make $105,000 in 2 months. But that's not it. If you get 35 sales every day for an entire year and you have a custom branded product, your brand would be evaluated at 3 to 5 times your revenue for that first year. And your revenue for the first year would be $630,000, which means this brand you created with $500 could be potentially worth, or you're welcome. Make sure you follow for more.